In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can emote while moving here in Evade using a technique called emote hopping. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now this method lets you keep your speed while emoting, and it's super nice. It also allows you to slide across the map pretty fast as well, which is convenient. And really all you need to start doing in order to do this efficiently is kind of run straight, right, to build up a little bit of momentum. And once you have speed, while you're in the air, so jump, and then of course go ahead and activate your emote. On PC, that's just going to be your emote plus like a key that's assigned to it. For example, like I have 2, 3, and 4 assigned. Essentially you just jump while running emote mid-air, and then you start emote sliding. It really is that simple. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video though and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.